Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, September 7th, 2018. The U.S. stock market is closed. Well, you can see here what happened with the Dow here. Major seesaw roller coaster action. Starts out positive, then goes negative, then comes back quite a bit, but then loses a little toward the end. Officially, the Dow's down 79, so it was a negative day for the Dow, but it's swinging around all over the place. That's a difficult environment to trade. However, amazingly, we did pretty well with it. We had negative over $4,000 in open trade yesterday, and I was very pessimistic about what was going on. This morning comes in, and it opened negative this morning, so I just, usually what happens, it'll open negative, then get even more negative by the time we get out. That did not happen this morning. Those trading patterns are amazing, and it's why you can't go chasing trading patterns. We stuck with our old trading pattern that hasn't been real good the last few days, and we came out great. We went from being negative $4,000 yesterday to closing out positive $6,600 and some change. So, you know, that's a $10,000 swing in our favor. So, went very, very well this morning with respect to that. We did get into 13 new positions, 5 positive, 8 were negative, and we are carrying negative $1,400 over the weekend. But you know, that all could be positive by Monday too. So I'm not a bit worried about that. I'm just really pleased that we turned that negative equity from yesterday into a pretty decent trading day, actually. I'll show you 3 of the good stocks we had. This first one is PTCT. That's PTC Therapeutics Incorporated. We had bought that toward the end of the day yesterday. Didn't do too much by the close, but it popped way up this morning. That got us into a second day, but then it backed off. We got stopped out. Then it started up again, and we get re-entered. Didn't lose much profit there between this getting out and getting re-entered. That's all within a half hour there, and it kept moving. Closed almost, took out its high, and closed very close to its high. So we ended up, we took out $2,500 positive here. We get back into it, and we're carrying $1,800 positive in open trade equity. So combine that whole thing, we got over $4,000 there in PTC Therapeutics. Very nice trade. I'll show you another one here. This is Fossil Incorporated. We had bought that yesterday right out of the gate. Didn't do too much for us by the close, but it really took off here at the beginning. And then we just actually are getting stopped out with profits there, but nice profits of $2,700. And again, this is absolutely the opposite pattern that I've been showing you the last couple of days, where the thing's open and it just tanks. And that's why I say be careful of these algorithms, or I should say be careful of changing your algorithm to try and chase patterns. It just doesn't work. Stick with our algorithm. It's a good algorithm, and it always makes money over time. And finally, I will show you another one here. This is MongoDB. MongoDB Incorporated, and we bought this second hour yesterday, big pop up here. It keeps going. It actually opened lower, but then it moved up here very nicely for our exit, and we took $4,100, $4,100 out of MongoDB, so that was very profitable for us also. Hey, you guys have a fantastic weekend. I'm going to enjoy my weekend, and I will be back here on Monday trading as usual.